2 is going to be cutting these valves off, and then I'm just going to get these SharkBite type valves. These work really well to replacing what we have. So I have this PEX cutter that I am going to use makes it very easy to cut those off. Off. Makes it easier. One down. Turn the water back on and make sure there's no leaks. Turn that off. Turn that off. Valves are closed. Valves are closed. Let's go. Right there. Let's turn it off. Now water's on. Okay, water's back on. So I always like to hurry just a little bit to get back upstairs. And check for leaks. So I'll go one at a time. And I will turn these little valves. So valves are now running to the on position, and then I will turn on. I'm just going to let that run for a few minutes. I'll do the same to the other side. I'm going to check right below where the valves are. I'm going to check right below the valves. And if there's any leak, there'll be a little puddle of water. A little puddle of water that forms right down here. And then I'll also use my hand to feel under the valve. But I've done this enough times that I get a pretty good feel of when valves are good or not. And there are no leaks. And we are good. Off to the next one.